Welcome to my channel Flights Assistance Carry-On Packing Hacks for Stress-Free Travel. Packing a carry-on for travel can feel like solving a puzzle with too many pieces. Limited space, airline restrictions, and the need for convenience make it tricky. These 10 carry-on packing hacks will help you maximize space, stay organized, and travel stress-free, all within the confines of a standard carry-on bag. 1. Choose the right bag. Start with a carry-on that fits airline size restrictions, typically 22 by 14 by 9 inches, including handles and wheels. Opt for a soft-sided bag or backpack for flexibility when squeezing into overhead bins. Look for one with multiple compartments for easy organization. A lightweight bag, ideally under 7 pounds, leaves more weight allowance for your belongings. 2. Make a packing list before packing. Create a concise packing list tailored to your trip. Include essentials like clothing, toiletries, electronics, and travel documents. Cross-reference with your itinerary to avoid overpacking for activities you won't do. A list keeps you focused and ensures you don't forget critical items like chargers or medications. 3. Use the 5-4-3-2-1 rule for short trips. Follow the 5-4-3-2-1 packing rule to streamline clothing. 5 tops, 4 bottoms, 3 pairs of shoes, 2 jackets, and 1 accessory, like a scarf or hat. Choose versatile, neutral-colored items that mix and match. This keeps your wardrobe lean while ensuring variety. 4. Roll. Don't fold. Rolling clothes saves space and reduces wrinkles compared to folding. Tightly roll t-shirts, jeans, and casual wear, then stack them in your bag like logs. For delicate items like dress shirts, fold them minimally and place them on top. Use the inside of shoes or gaps to tuck rolled socks or underwear. 5. Invest in packing cube. Packing cubes are game changers for organization. Use different sizes to separate clothing types, tops in one, bottoms in another, undergarments in a smaller cube. Compression cubes can further shrink bulkier items like sweaters. They also make unpacking at your destination a breeze, as you can transfer cubes directly to drawers. 6. Wear bulky items on the plane. Save space by wearing your bulkiest items, like a coat, boots, or heavy sweater, during travel. Layer up strategically to stay comfortable on the plane while freeing up room in your carry-on. If you get warm, stow the outer layer in the overhead bin. 7. Pack a reusable tote. Include a lightweight, foldable tote bag in your carry-on. It's perfect for carrying souvenirs, snacks, or overflow items on your return trip. Use it as your personal item under the seat for in-flight essentials like a book, water bottle, or headphones. Choose one that packs down small to save space. 8. Optimize toiletries. Stick to travel-sized toiletries, 3.4 ounces or less, to comply with TSA liquid rules. Use a clear, quart-sized bag to hold them for easy security checks. Consider solid alternatives like shampoo bars or toothpaste tablets to save space and avoid leaks. Pack multi-use products, like a moisturizer with SPF, to cut down on items. 9. Keep electronics accessible. Place electronics like your phone, charger, earbuds, and power bank in an easily accessible pocket or small pouch. This speeds up security checks and keeps essentials handy during the flight. Use cable organizers or zip ties to prevent tangled cords. If traveling internationally, include a compact universal adapter. 10. Plan for security and comfort. Pack with airport security and in-flight comfort in mind. Place liquids and electronics at the top of your bag for quick access at checkpoints. Include a small comfort kit, eye mask, neck pillow, or earplugs in your personal item for long flights. A lightweight scarf can double as a blanket or pillow. Weigh your bag. Use a luggage scale to ensure your carry-on meets airline weight limits, often 15 to 22 pounds, to avoid gate checking. Leave room for souvenirs. Pack slightly under capacity to accommodate items you might bring back. Check airline rules. Confirm carry-on and personal item allowances, as they vary by airline, especially on budget carriers. These hacks transform carry-on packing from a chore into a streamlined process. By choosing the right bag, organizing with cubes, and prioritizing versatile clothing, you'll travel lighter and smarter. A well-packed carry-on not only saves time and stress at the airport but also gives you the freedom to skip checked baggage fees and delays. Pack strategically, and your next trip will feel like a breeze. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.